Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into one of the most popular VPN services out there, NordVPN. We'll be discussing its features, applications, speed, security, and more. But before we get started, don't forget to check the links in the description below for special offers and discounts from NordVPN. Alright, let's jump right in. So, is NordVPN worth it? The answer is a resounding yes. NordVPN is widely regarded as one of the best VPN services on the market, and for good reason. Let's take a closer look at some of these features. First and foremost, NordVPN provides top-notch security to protect your online activities. It uses military-grade AES-256 encryption and has strict no-logs policy. NordVPN also offers a Double VPN, which adds an extra layer of encryption and redirects your data through multiple VPN servers before it reaches the internet. It ensures online privacy in environments with strict monitoring or censorship, enhances safety on public Wi-Fi networks, and helps maintain anonymity. In terms of protocols, NordVPN offers multiple protocols for secure VPN connections, including IKEv2 IPSec, OpenVPN, and NordLynx, which is the newest VPN solution that marries super speed with solid security. These protocols provide a range of options for users to balance security, speed, and device compatibility. Moreover, by turning on the threat protection feature, your device is protected from malware-ridden websites, web tracking, intrusive and malicious ads, and infected files. What's even greater about NordVPN is the MeshNet feature. It enables private file sharing, gaming, remote work, and virtual LAN parties. You can link up to 60 devices, safely access files on remote devices, securely share work projects, and host or join LAN parties. NordVPN is also compatible with almost every device including Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. It even has browser extensions for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. Another standout feature of NordVPN is its impressive speed. With over 5,000 servers located in over 60 countries, NordVPN offers lightning-fast connections that are perfect for streaming, gaming, or downloading large files. It minimizes buffering and lag for that uninterrupted online experience. Now that we've covered some of the key features, let's talk about the different applications of NordVPN. Whether you're a gamer or a streaming enthusiast, NordVPN has got you covered. For gamers, NordVPN has dedicated servers for speed. These servers provide faster connections, reduce latency, and help access game content that is not available in your location. With NordVPN, you can enhance your gaming experience and play with gamers from all around the world. It also has a kill switch that allows you to specify which applications should be shut down if the VPN connection is lost. If you're someone who loves streaming, NordVPN allows you to access region-specific content from anywhere. Whether it's Netflix, Hulu, or any other streaming platform, NordVPN can help you unlock a vast library of shows and movies that might not be available in your country. Plus, with its fast speeds, you can enjoy buffer-free streaming in high definition. However, do note that NordVPN, like most reputable VPN providers, strongly discourages and condemns the use of its services for illegal activities, including downloading or sharing copyrighted content without authorization. It is crucial to ensure that you have an active and legitimate subscription to your favorite streaming and gaming platforms. For browsing, NordVPN's dark web monitor can be useful when you want to be notified if your personal information, such as email addresses or passwords, is found on the dark web. It helps you stay aware of potential data breaches and take the necessary actions to protect yourself. Now, let's address one of the most important concerns, the cost. NordVPN offers different subscription plans to suit your needs. And if you're still unsure whether NordVPN is the right choice for you, they provide a generous 30-day money-back guarantee. This means you can try NordVPN risk-free and get a refund if you're not satisfied with the service. But wait, there's more. NordVPN even offers a free trial for those who want to test the service before committing to a subscription. This allows you to experience the full range of features and see if NordVPN meets your expectations. In conclusion, NordVPN is definitely worth it. With its top-notch security, impressive speed, and a range of applications, it's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to protect their online privacy, access region-specific content, or enhance their gaming and streaming experience. So, if you're ready to take control of your online privacy and unlock a world of possibilities, be sure to check out NordVPN. We'll leave a link in the description below so you can find out more and get started with their free trial. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.